You either have to deal with dongle, after dongle, after dongle, and dongles are so lame. Or rely on a dock that requires you to download drivers, uses software compression, and limits your video capabilities. Introducing Hyperdrive, the all-in-one multi-display. With flexible cables so the dock is future-proof and can also work with Windows PC, Chromebook, iOS, and Android. To match the MacBook, connect a 13 or 14-inch MacBook Pro to 2 external displays, or connect a 15 or 16-inch MacBook Pro to 3 external displays.